Hey ladies, it's Deanna from thelivefitgirls.com, and today I want to share with you the best exercises for toning your inner thighs. Nobody likes that little jiggle in the middle, so we are going to tone and sculpt those inner thighs like crazy. All right, so for this workout, all you'll need is some ankle weights and some dumbbells if you want more of a challenge. If you don't have either, you can still do all of these exercises without any equipment at all, but the dumbbells and the ankle weights are gonna add just a little bit extra into your workout. So I'm gonna do the first two exercises with no dumbbells, but I'll give you ideas on what you can do with the dumbbells if you have them. So you're gonna have the feet out nice and wide, and you're gonna go into plie squats. So I know you ladies have done this, but we're just gonna review it a little bit. You want your ankles a little bit wider than shoulder width apart, knees and toes turned out at least 45 degrees, and you wanna make sure knees and toes are in the same line. So from here, you're gonna lower yourself down. Think of lowering your hips straight down, keep your back nice and straight, and then press it back up. So you lower it down and press it up. Imagine you're kind of sliding your back down a wall. If you have dumbbells, you can either keep them on your hips or you can bring them up to your shoulders. And as you lower, I want you to think of pressing your knees back behind you and keeping your weight in your heels. So you lower down, press it up through the heels. Good. Lower and press it up. Lower, press it up. So you should be able to lift your toes a little bit there. Again, keeping the weight in the heels, it's gonna help target those inner thighs and the hamstring and the booty. And who doesn't like a little booty toning, right? A little extra booty toning is always good. We'll do one more and then bring it up. Nice. Shake those legs out a little bit. We're gonna go into a little bit of side lunges with a leg lift. So if you have dumbbells, you can just hold them straight down by your side with your palms facing in. I'm gonna put my hands on my hips. You're gonna step out to the side into a side lunge. So keep the weight in the heel. Think about pressing your booty back behind you. And then as you come up, you're gonna bring that leg across. So you step it out, side lunge, bring it up and sweep. Side lunge, up and sweep. Side lunge, up and sweep. So as you come up, you cross that leg over the midline of the body, and that's gonna work that inner thigh. Good. So technically, those inner thighs are called the adductors. So they're pulling everything to the midline. An easy way to target it is if you're pulling the leg in at any time towards the middle, or if you cross the body. Good, nice job, ladies. Again, sit the booty back, keep the weight in your heels. You press off and push off with that outside leg. We'll do two, and last one, nice. Shake it out, coming on over to the other side. So again, parallel with those legs, you're gonna step that leg out, keep the weight in the heel, come up and cross. Good, out and cross. So think of lifting with that inner thigh as you lift across the body. Again, booty sits back. So you'll actually get a little outer thigh toning on this one as well, which again, doesn't ever hurt, but focus on that inner thigh to push up and lift. Nice, abs are pulled in, shoulders back. Nice job, ladies. Let's do 4, 3, 2, and last one. Nice job, ladies. Shake out those legs a little bit. We're gonna grab those ankle weights and just put them around the ankles. So again, these are 5 pounds each. There's little sandbags inside that you can take out so you can make it work for you. You can make it even 1 pound or 2 pounds, whatever you need. So if you're newer, you can totally do it without any ankle weights at all as well. All right, so we're gonna stand up for these. If you need a little assistance for balance, you can always hold onto a wall or hold onto a chair. Your hands can go on your hips. You can bring them out to the side for a little extra balance, whatever you need. You're gonna bring your right foot in front and you're gonna turn it out. So you wanna think of spiraling the foot out to the side. So toes are reaching out, your heels reaching forward. You're gonna cross it just a little bit, and then you're gonna lift that leg up and lower. So you lift and lower. You're thinking of lifting through that inner thigh. Again, keep spiraling that leg. Almost think of lifting the heel up more than the toe, if that makes sense. Good, so you spiral lift and lift. That's how those dancers get those nice inner thighs with that turned out position. Good, lift. Again, it's a little bit across the body to get that extra inner thigh work. Nice, we'll do 3 more. 2 and 1, nice. Shake those legs out a little bit and then switch to the other side. So you cross it a little bit, you spiral that leg out, turn it out, get that external rotation. You're gonna lift and lower, good. Stand up nice and tall. Again, if you need to hold on to a chair or the wall, totally fine. It will challenge your balance a little bit, and think of lifting with those inner thighs. So remember, this whole workout is available as a printable. There's a link down below on where you can find it. Nice, lift and lower. Good, again, lifting with that heel, getting that leg just a little bit across the body. We'll do 2 more. Good, and last one, and bring it down, shake it out. All right, we're gonna take the rest of these down onto the mat. We're gonna lay on our side, and I'm gonna prop myself up on my elbow and just get a little extra oblique work here. If you need to, you can always lay all the way down. Use your arm as a pillow, or you can even grab a pillow if you need to. But for this first one, I'm gonna bring that top leg behind. I'm gonna lift that bottom leg, so you're getting that inner thigh work here, and then lower. So you lift and lower, lift and lower. So from here, again, you're lifting with that inner thigh, and that ankle weight is just adding a little extra challenge there. And again, you can do it without any ankle weights. Good, 2 more. And then hold it. You're gonna bend that knee in, flex through that heel, and then press that heel out. Good, bend it in and press. And press. Good, so keeping that heel lifted is gonna really get that inner thigh. Trust me, it's starting to burn, but it feels super good on that leg. Good. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. All right, this last one here, you're gonna bring that leg up, gonna hold the ankle or the calf, and then from here, your hips roll back just a little bit, just to keep you steady. Big, big, big inner thigh lift here. You're gonna lift it all the way up and down. Lift all the way up and down. So again, if you need to do this one without any ankle weights, totally fine. Trust me, it is challenging either way. I don't know if you can see it, but I am shaking. Nice. Good, lift and lower. A little dancer leg lift here. Good. 4, 3, stay strong, ladies, you got this. 2, and 1. Whew. All right, let's bring it on over to the other side. Extend those legs out nice and long. Lift up, bottom oblique is lifted, and again, you can either lay your head down if you need to. Top leg's gonna go behind for this one, and you're gonna lift and lower. Good, lift and lower. So again, you're focusing on that inner thigh, reaching that leg nice and long. Good, try not to lock out that knee. It might put a little too much stress on the joint, so keep it just softly bent. Trust me, you'll still feel a ton of work there. Good, we'll do 2 more. You're gonna keep that leg lifted, bend it in, flex through that heel, and press. Good, bend and press. Good, so that leg is slightly lifted the whole time. It's gonna really target those inner thighs. You are gonna love this one. Good. Stay lifted in that supporting shoulder. Remember your alignment through the rest of your body. Good, press and press, nice. 4 more, you got this, ladies. Whew. Got those dancer lifts next, which are a killer. Last one, and lower it down, good. So bring that right leg up towards the ceiling. Again, you can grab behind the calf. If you need to grab behind your thigh, you can always do that as well. You're gonna hold it here, and then lift that leg up and lower. Good, lift and lower. Nice big lift. This one's the challenging one out of those 3. So again, if you need to take a little bit of weights off of your ankle weight or just take the ankle weight off completely, you can totally do that. Nice. Lift and lower. Ooh, that inner thigh is feeling it. Nice, good. 4 more, you got this. 3, 2, and 1. Whew, shake it out a little bit. Whew. And then lay on back. We got 1 more here, because you know I love my booty bridges. So you're gonna have those heels in nice and close. If you have the ankle weights on, you can keep them on. They're not gonna affect this exercise. You're gonna lift yourself up into a booty bridge. Hold that booty bridge, so squeeze your booty at the top, straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Your feet should be apart here, and then you're gonna tap your knees together, open. Tap it together, open. Nice, tap and open. If you have a Pilates ring, you can always put that between your knees and squeeze it at the top. If you have one of those little mini stability balls that I love so much, you can also put that there and squeeze it, or even a pillow. A pillow will work as well too. So anything that gives you a little extra resistance is totally fine on this one. And if you don't have anything, you just squeeze, feel that inner thigh work, squeeze and open, good. 1 more, and then roll it all the way down. Hug those knees in towards your chest a little bit. Nice. And then let's roll it all the way up. I'll keep my ankle weights on, but you can take them off if you would like. And you're gonna just take a little inner thigh stretch. So you're gonna come back into your side lunge position, stretch it out. You stay nice and low. Your hands can even come down onto the mat, and just breathe it out for a few seconds. Good, back nice and flat. You can always toe heel out a little bit farther if you need to. Get a little deeper into that stretch. Nice. Walk those hands to the center and then all the way over to the other side. Get nice and low. Good. Get that nice stretch. So you can do this entire workout 1 or 2 more times. You can do it just 1 time through. You can do it a few times a week. Remember, you're gonna have that printable ready for you, so you can always just do it whenever you need to, or if you just wanna add in a few of these exercises into your regular full body workout, you can always do that as well. So I will see you guys next time. Let me know what workouts you'd like to see next, and I hope you have a fantastic day.